Hey guys, what's going on? Hugo Boss back in with another video. As requested, you guys wanted an office tour, so I'm gonna give you one today. This is the elevator area, so let's head on to the lounge area first. So lounges are all operated by Face ID, right? So you get to put your face onto the system, and the door will open. Not bad, right? So we're gonna go into the lounge right here. Pretty good lounge area for if you're meeting some clients or just sitting down reading a book on your laptop. There is the pantry where you get some coffee and stuff like that over there, and then some chips. And then we move over to that side. There is some beverages here. You got you can put your own wine, your beer, your Cokes, stuff like that. All right, so let's move on to the office area. I'll show you guys the office room. So let's move on to the office area. So this is actually like a we share these offices with a lot of other people, so each individual room is individual company. So if we head over to this side here, this is going to be the corridor to our room. So if we move inside here, room 23. So here's our room, guys. So yeah, we can see the Coke Zero. Just bought a few packs today. We got some packaging here, maybe some returns from some customers. And I want to show you guys this piece of art. A lot of the entrepreneurs love this piece of art. All right, very nice. We got different colors as well. We got the red, and we also got the green color. All really sexy. This looks really good for YouTube as well, like on the YouTube videos. Looks very nice. All right, so I'll show you guys our desks. Our desks look pretty nice. So this is where I sit. This is where Adrian sits. We're getting our monitors today. So they're getting delivered later. I can show you guys on Instagram when it comes. That's Josh's seat and this is Ian's seat. So they have the monitors already. And if you come over, you can take a look at the view here. It's not a bad view. There's a sea view right there. I can show you guys the sea later on. All right, guys. So I think it's not many people at the sea view area right now. So I'm gonna take you guys there and take a look around the lounge area. So it's right there, turn left. Guys, so I got my lemon water, going back to the room right now. All right guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe if you guys are interested in more e-commerce videos or some office tours. I could show you guys more stuff around, and I'm also planning on filming a day in a life video. So if you guys are interested in a day in a life video, feel free to comment and let me know. So I'm gonna make that video soon. So yeah, see you guys later, bro.